Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing lots of spring cleaning and turning our junk drawers from this to this. So if you like to organize with me, then please keep on watching. So this is optional, but you can pick up some of these containers. I got these from Target and they were actually less expensive than Dollar Tree because there's more than one to a pack, and they were all under $3, maybe even $2. I can't remember exactly, but for sure everything under $3. And I like them a lot better than the Dollar Tree ones because they are flexible and I feel like they can bend more, so you can place them in your drawers as you please. So as you can see, these drawers that are on our center island desperately needed to be cleaned, and we really don't have a purpose for these drawers. We just kind of toss everything and anything into them, so they really needed to be organized and cleaned out. So the first thing that I did was went one by one into each drawer and emptied it out completely, and I kept what I knew that we were going to be using again, or that what we needed, and I tossed out trash and things that I know that we don't have a purpose for anymore. And this is really embarrassing showing you guys how bad I let these drawers get. But like I said, it's just so easy for everybody to just kind of toss everything and anything into these drawers. Do you guys also have a junk drawer or junk drawers in your home? Please tell me you do. And then once I had it all emptied out, I went in with some Method Antibac. I love this stuff. My favorite scent is the bamboo scent, and I wiped down each drawer with it. And then on to the second drawer. I think this one was probably worse than the first drawer. And then again, just going in with the anti-bac spray to give everything a quick clean. And finally onto the third drawer, and I actually lied. This is probably the worst drawer of them all. So as I was cleaning out this drawer, my husband was in the living room, and I said to him, I said, "Oh my gosh, there's so much change in this drawer." And he said, "Oh yeah, it's because I always put it in there when I get home from work." So he's to blame for all of this change. And this bag is full of trash from all of the 3 drawers combined. Again, so embarrassing. Please don't judge me. But anyways, this is what I ended up deciding to keep. I do end up condensing it a bit more, but for the most part, this is what I had left over to organize into each drawer. So then I started to put all of the containers into each drawer. I mostly wanted to put the containers into the first 2 drawers and then leave the 3rd drawer for like miscellaneous things. So for the first drawer, I really wanted a purpose for each of the drawers. So for the first drawer, I wanted to put in there like pencils that the kids could easily grab when they're doing their homework, markers, scissors, glues, rubber bands, and stuff like that. So kind of like a craft drawer, if you will. And then for the second drawer, I wanted to make this kind of like a fix it, do it yourself drawer. So for example, I placed in some measuring tape and then some battery chargers, some screwdrivers, different types of tools. And then you can see that on the little 2 containers to the right, I put in some little packs of screws that we had. And then this little container that I'm adding in the middle here, the clear one, I'm just kind of separating all the different nails and screws that we had into this, because when I'm doing you know, projects around the house, I always need different nails or screws here and there and washers and different things like that. So I'm putting those in here. And then also off to the right at the top, I'm doing the band-aids and hand sanitizer, chapstick, stuff like that. So I'm just kind of really just putting a place for everything where it's just easily accessible to anyone that's looking for it. And then, like I said, the third drawer, I made it like the miscellaneous drawer. So we are all done, and this is what everything looked like once it was all organized. And wow, what a difference. And everything has a place, everything is easily located and easily accessible, easy to grab now. And I am so happy with it, and I can't stop opening my drawers now. I hope you guys enjoyed this organization video. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more organization videos, and let me know in the comments what you guys think of the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.